Welcome back to EV Price Wars, where the world's shocking EV battles unfold. And today's story is something nobody saw coming, because a mysterious new Chinese EV has surfaced, and the internet is already calling it the Chinese Audi E7X. Why? Well, wait until you hear the numbers. This thing allegedly packs 670 horsepower, all-wheel drive, high-performance motors, and a design so polished you'd think it was sketched in an Audi design studio, then smuggled out the back door. But here's where it gets even crazier. This EV isn't some rumor. It's real, it's testing, and it's about to make its global debut. So what exactly is this Chinese E7X? And why is the German car industry suddenly paying very, very close attention? Let's break it down. The first spy shots dropped recently, and instantly car fans worldwide went, hold on, why does this look exactly like something Audi would build? Sharp, clean edges, Matrix-style headlights, a sporty fastback profile, flush door handles, and aggressive front stance that screams luxury performance. If this car had 4 rings on the grille, nobody would question it. But it doesn't. It's from China, and the disguise badge has the internet guessing everything from BYD to SAIC to a brand new premium sub-brand. The big takeaway? China isn't just copying anymore, they're matching Germany, move for move. And then there's the real bombshell. Under the hood, well, under the floor, we're talking 670 horsepower. 670! That pushes this Chinese E7X into the same league as the Audi RS e-tron GT, Porsche Taycan 4S, and even some AMG EVs. Early whispers say dual-motor all-wheel drive, performance-focused platform, a huge battery pack with long-range capability, and fast charging that can challenge Europe's best. If this turns out to be true, then we're not looking at a competitor, we're looking at a straight-up threat. But the part that really scares legacy automakers, China has a habit of dropping insane performance at suspiciously affordable prices. Imagine an Audi RS level EV, but instead of 120,000 euros, what if this launches at half of that? That's the kind of move that starts wars. Price wars, technology wars, design wars, and China is winning more of them every month. And here's another twist. The prototype is already being tested on public roads, fully wrapped, fully functional, and apparently very close to production-ready condition. That means the global debut isn't years away, it's right around the corner. Will it come to Europe? No confirmation yet. But the fact that it's being tested internationally suggests somebody wants this car to make a statement on the global stage, not just in China. So here's the real question for you. If this Chinese E7X launches with 670 horsepower, modern Audi-like design, long range, high-end tech, and a price that embarrasses European brands, would you buy it? Or are you still loyal to German engineering? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more EV chaos, innovation, and global battles, right here on EV Price Wars. I'll see you in the next one.